Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the basics of English grammar by exploring the different parts of speech. Understanding these parts of speech will help you improve your writing and speaking skills. So let's get started. In English, words are categorized into different parts of speech based on their function and usage in sentences. The main parts of speech include nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, pronouns, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. Noun. First, we have nouns. Nouns are words that name people, places, things, or ideas. For example, in the sentence, "The happy dog ran in the park," the words dog and park are nouns. Happiness is another example of a noun representing an idea, verb. Next, let's talk about verbs. Verbs describe actions, states, or occurrences. In our example sentence, ran and barked are verbs. They tell us what the subject is doing. The word is can be used as a verb to describe a state of being. Adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe or modify nouns. They give us more information about the noun. For instance, happy describes the dog, and large could describe the park. Adverbs. Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They often tell us how, when, where, or to what extent something happens. In our sentence, quickly is an adverb that describes how the dog ran. Pronouns. Pronouns are words that replace nouns to avoid repetition. In the second sentence, it replaces the dog, making the sentence smoother. Prepositions. Prepositions are words that show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. In and near are prepositions in our sentences. They help us understand where the action is happening. Articles. Articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. In our examples, the, the, is a definite article, and a and an are indefinite articles. Conjunctions and interjections. Conjunctions are words that connect clauses, sentences, or words. Examples include and, but, and, or. Interjections are words or phrases that express or show strong emotion or surprise, such as "oh" or "wow." While not in our example sentences, they are essential parts of speech too. To sum up, understanding the parts of speech is fundamental to mastering English grammar. They help us structure our sentences and convey clear and precise meaning. Keep practicing by identifying parts of speech in sentences you read or write. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more grammar tips and lessons. See you next time.